Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is kind of exciting. This is actually ground zero for my new shop. So it is happening. I'm literally putting in a shop. I don't know exactly yet how big it's going to be. I'm thinking maybe 3 big shop bays, which means maybe 60 feet wide. I don't know if I'm going to do like 30 or 40 feet deep, or if I want to do bigger. I mean, I actually have plenty of space right here. And yeah, I'm super excited. I have a lot of depth as well, so I have plenty of options, and I'm super excited that this is going to be ground zero. And yeah, so it's not just a shop, it's also a brand new house. So yeah, on an 1.5 acres, but this back here is the prime reason I definitely want a shop. I need a shop so I can take on more projects for content, such as like more how-to videos, maybe some crazy builds, as well as even some more wrapping content. So I could even have like all 3 going at the same time, which I think would be super awesome. The garage on the house is a little bit smaller than the one I have now. Right now I have a 3-car, and I'm going to be downgrading to a 2-car. But with the shop, this is going to be where all the projects are, so I don't need the house garage to be able to be like the shop. So now I'm just going to have a 2-car garage. I'm going to put a lift in there. Yeah, I'm going to epoxy coat it, and I did all the prep last night. So here's some clips of that, and then all the way up to getting it finished. All right, so it is dark now, and I'm here in the garage trying to get the floor cleaned and prepped. Because I do have this, it's not epoxy, it's like a different version. It's also Rust-Oleum, which apparently this one's so much better. It's kind of like the industrial grade, but there's a lot of, it looks like plaster or something all over the floor. And I have like a little pocket knife, and I'm literally going around scraping it up off the floor. It's all over, like all over there, all over back here. And yeah, so by the way, this is the garage layout. So I did go from a 3-car garage to a 2-car, but it's a bit taller ceilings. I can still put a lift in over here. I do have a window on the side, so it's kind of nice. And then also this whole back alcove. I'm kind of happy about that, and it already has a 220 on there. So I can plug in the Tesla here at the house. I mean, I do charge it at work, which is really convenient, but now I'll be able to have it here at the house whenever I do need it. The lighting is not like as crazy as the other house, but like I said, everything is going to be in the shop, so I'm not really too worried about the garage itself. I do plan on putting a 4-post stacking lift here, so I can still stack 2 cars, 1 car next to it, but then obviously everything else will be in the shop in the back. But as of right now, we're just kind of prepping the floor to get this kit put in. And I've used these kind of kits before, but yeah, this is the one that I went with. That's the word right there. But yeah, look at all of this, all plaster. I'm just sitting here scraping up, and I already got some of it up right there. And then I got to clean and prep the whole floor. All right, so now the floor is all clean and prepped. I scraped up everything, and then I did the concrete etch stuff on it as well. So it stripped off a lot of that stuff. Man, this is a huge, crazy transformation, but we're all prepped and ready to go, and we're going to start, I guess, like in this corner. I'm just going to work my way down this whole half of the garage, and then I'll open the second set of bags because it has like another one. If you guys do want to pick up this kit, I do have a link in the description down below on Amazon, and man, this thing, I've used these before, and they are so quick and easy and convenient. You can do it yourself. And they even have like the standard epoxy, or you can get the one that's like 20 times stronger using the polycuramine, or however you say it. But this is the dark gray with the kind of like black and white and gray flakes. At first I wasn't going to put these in, but I kind of like it with that. But let's go ahead and get this out into the garage and get started with rolling it on. All right, and we are done. I went ahead and got everything laid down. It is kind of like racing against the clock whenever you're doing this because it does start to dry and set. Got all the flake put in, and I think it looks so good. This, like, made sure to go up on the edges all the way around, and I really like the way it came out. There's the other one that's like typically like a lighter gray with like the blue flakes, but I think this one turned out a lot nicer, and it's like a super high gloss too, which looks really good in my opinion. I think this is awesome. I cannot wait for it to dry. At some point, we do have more plans for the garage, like a lift over here. So then this will be like the garage that I keep like my active cars that I drive. So I'll be able to have the lift to stack a couple really awesome cars, have a third one sitting next to here. And then obviously in the back will be where I have the shop with all the project cars. And hopefully in the future I get more cars, and then that's where I can put the overflow. All right guys, so I'm back here in the back of the lot, and I was just checking out some of the natural plants here. Look at the barbs on this thing. Oh my gosh, like these are like an inch and a half long. This is wild. This is what you get when you're out in the middle of nowhere in Texas. Obviously you can see as far as you can see. I mean, there's some hills way back in the distance. I think this is absolutely amazing, but I cannot wait to get the shop built, and this is super exciting. Gonna be doing a lot more things on the channel, a lot bigger things as well. Also, it's not just a shop. So I should be able to fit a, like, let's say like 40 by 60 shop. And then if I wanted to build more, it's big enough I could build another one and another one and another one, and just literally turn this whole backyard into a giant row of shops, maybe a big concrete courtyard in the middle. I don't know. We will see. There's a lot to come for the future, but I'm excited to get it started. So yeah, a lot more content to come. I've been kind of slow lately because I'm in the middle of this move, but if you guys did like this video, go down, hit the like button, but hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more videos, especially a lot more to come. I'm super excited, and this is just the beginning of some awesome stuff to come. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.